This is a video where we will show you how to navigate the course website or LMS. Everything is done through Canvas, but if you're watching this video, most likely you've already figured out how to log in and get into this course. Don't be alarmed that the title of the course is Practice Course. This is just a shell that I use to copy out for each semester. So the home page will just show you the various modules, and the very first thing is Start Here, where we have notes on the introduction of the class, welcoming you to 98, introductory video about myself, and a video that's showing, even I fall down sometimes. So you want to, whenever you see a module, you want to read all the notes and you want to watch the videos, and you want to do that before class so that you can come up with questions about what you don't understand before class. You don't have to understand every note, but you really kind of want it in your head so that you know what we're talking about in class. An important thing is the syllabus, which this just happens to be summer 2016. You should all know what a syllabus is. But right here, here's the homework, quizzes, midterms. And I think a lot of times people don't realize just how much these midterms and the final exam is worth. Sometimes in the grading scheme of the LMS, you can get kind of an overestimate of how you're doing. I have a video. This link is actually the video that we're watching right now. Another video I want you to watch is Navigating the LMS. There's just some things you really need to read everything that's posted if you want to succeed in this class. I'm not going to read this out. But basically, everything you need to know on what to do to succeed is right here. All right. Now, let's go down more to a standard module. All right. So, module 1, this is what you would read in the book, which is Alexander. This happens to be version 6, although version 4 will work as well. You should read these notes, and then there's a homework quiz, which you should be able to do after going to that particular session. All right, and just if we come to module 2, this is what you need to read in the book. I'll have notes, I'll have videos, sometimes application notes, which you may or may not read depending on what you need to know at a particular moment in time. I'll even have examples, which is more just an example problem. The notes might just follow whatever's going on in the book, and the example would be worked out examples. All right, and then I'll have videos, notes, and then in that module will be the homework that you should be able to do after you understand the material, or you're doing it while you're learning how to understand the material. To understand which module is due which day, we go to the syllabus, and it depends. If you're taking this class in the fall or the spring, each day is a module. But in the summer, it's accelerated. So sometimes you might have on class 1 2 modules, or on class 5 here, there's actually 3 modules that we go over on that particular day. So again, yeah, for the summer, each day might cover more than one module, but during the fall and spring, pretty much every day is a module. All right, and in the summer, the final day of class is also the final exam. So there isn't really a review or anything like that during the summer, but in the semester we have a little more time. And so before class, just to reiterate, you want to read the book just to get an idea of what's going to be talked about. Go through the notes. I'll leave it to you to watch the videos or not. All right. You come to class, ask your questions. Then after class, maybe you go back and reread things again, and then start in on the homework. And that pretty much goes on for the whole semester. If you want to see all the assignments at once, you would just click on Assignments, and you can see. Now there should be a due date. Everything looks closed. Again, don't worry if your LMS looks slightly different, because they update Canvas all the time. That's okay. And that's it for how to navigate our LMS.